Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
Hey YouTube family, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Today we're gonna do some wet easy banana pudding. I got my daughter AJ Ajari. We're gonna do it Ajari style, y'all. So this is the thing that we got going on right now. So she has some Jello. Listen, some Jello pudding, some vanilla Jello pudding already in the bowl. We're gonna go ahead and put all your ingredients listed in the show more section. Everything will be listed there. So she got the Jello vanilla pudding inside the bowl. Now she's adding some of this here white sugar, and I don't know the amount, but the amount will be shown in the show more section. Just click on it and you will definitely get the full recipe to this easy banana pudding Ajari style. Now she's taking some of this here whole milk and tossing it into the bowl. This will be a great Thanksgiving recipe for you to prepare for your family, and I mean easy. As you can see, she got all three ingredients into this bowl right now, and she's mixing everything up. She got that vanilla pudding in there, the sugar is in it, and that whole milk is also in it, and she's giving it a nice stir. She went from the spoon to the whisk. Yes, she's doing this thing, y'all. She's doing this thing. I done had this many a times, and I'm telling you right now, it's good. It's good. So she got some sour cream, a whole container. I think this is a 16-ounce container. Like we say, everything is going to be listed in the show more section for the full ingredients, so check it out. So she's putting the whole container of sour cream inside this here mixture, and I do believe that she's going to give this a mix as well. You understand what I'm saying? Try this recipe right here for Thanksgiving. Yes, sir, you better try this here recipe, y'all. Come on now. So AJ is now mixing this baby up. She went from a spoon to the whisk. She know that she got to have that whisk. She got to have that whisk. She even said it herself. This whisk is totally awesome. Look at that. Look how smooth that stuff is right now. Okay, so after putting in the sour cream and mixing up everything, she got 2 small containers of Cool Whip. Now she did say that you could use 1 large container versus the 2 small containers, but if you cannot find the large containers, just use 2. That's what she's doing right now. And I don't know about you guys, but when we went to the grocery store, the grocery store shelves was dang near about empty. So we had to settle for what we could get, all right? So you got 2 small containers of the Miracle Whip. And like you say, you can use the 1 large container if you can find that. And then you'll do the exact same thing as you did before. You can mix everything together until it all get combined and whipped smooth. And we're still going. There's a little bit more work to be done. You understand what I'm saying? As you can see, she's rolling with the spoon right now. You know what I mean? Trying to get this thing smoothed out. We're doing this for y'all. And you could do this for real. Easy. Look how easy that is right now. Now she going through these bananas. You understand? Now, AJ funny. She like to take them little tips off of those bananas. How many of y'all take the tip off your banana and discard it when making banana puddings or whatever the case may be? Now, this is what she's doing in the bowl. You could do this however you want, but I love it when she do it in the bowl because it don't take up a lot of space in the fridge. So she's putting some of that pudding in the bottom of the bowl, and she does have some mini wafers. Okay, y'all, look, we tried looking for the large wafers. They said you couldn't, they ran out, so they had to settle for the minis. Now I'm telling you, if you can find the regular wafers, go ahead and do it. So she's putting a layer of wafers and a layer of bananas, and then just gonna repeat it with the cream. Look how easy this recipe is. You understand what I'm saying? You put some pudding down on the bottom, then you lace it down with some vanilla wafers and some sliced bananas. Then you just go ahead and repeat the same process. This is how easy the recipe really is. You understand what I'm saying? So let's go ahead on and get on through this. I know y'all tired. Now this is going to be the last, and I'm telling you right now, y'all, after you've done this, you'll go ahead and just crumble you up some of your wafers on top, set it in the fridge, let it chill for a bit, and when dinner is served and when everybody is ready for dessert, you just tell them to go ahead and get them a spoonful and keep it moving. You understand what I'm saying? Get a spoonful and keep it moving. There ain't no use of trying to plate this up. You already know how it's going to look and how it's going to be empty right at the end. So I just want to say this to y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this here video. If you like what you've seen, please go ahead and hit my photo and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and please watch these videos. Love and not hate. Love somebody, but hate nobody.